Hello, this is Niky from Canada, and welcome to my square foot garden. Let's do a little garden tour. On Wednesday I pulled most of the radishes out of my carrot bed. Quite big plants going on here. Let's see. That's a lot of root. Okay. Then I got some lettuce that I didn't plant, but I planted some here last year. I guess it's last year's. I'll probably pull the rest of the radishes out of here today. And broccoli's looking good. Maybe I'll bury it up to here, see what happens. And the peas and the carrots. The peas are looking really good. They'll start flowering soon. And the beans are good. Onions come up nice. Still don't think these are beans, but that's what it said. Oh, I'm going to be working this bed today. Cleaning it up and planting some things in it. Here's my cherry tree. I'm going to have to cover that soon, or else the birds will be after my cherries. My raspberry bush, I weeded it around it last week, so I got some trying to get out of the bed. That one. So this week I'm going to pull them out of there before they start taking over. And last week I weeded this finally, so now this is looking nice. You can actually see the blackberry. I cut most of the rhubarb down and the chives. And I put all my potatoes over, my potted potatoes, over in this bed. Because I want to work this bed this week as well. And strawberries, they're starting to come out. Not turning red yet though, but that'll be soon. And over here we got the tomatoes, starting to get big, and my garlics, and my asparagus. And here I got more broccoli. It's looking nice. That one's looking pretty good. And these are the first 2 tomatoes I planted, so they're getting quite tall too. Ah, my poor green fish pond. Shoot. Don't see any fishes today. Feed them in a minute. If there's any left. There's my gooseberries. Oh, there they are. Oh, these potatoes are starting to look pretty big. Wonder if I should hill them soon. Maybe they're looking really big. And here, I came over the other day, and the dog was lying in it, so I'm not sure if it's going to do anything or not. And this one, I got stuff growing up, I think. And these potatoes, I think I will leave them another week or 2, and then I will hill them, but they're starting to look fairly big. And these plants, I got some coming up. Flowers, my oregano, got mushrooms. Too bad I don't know if they're edible or not. My dill's coming up pretty good. And my lavender took good. Oh, my parsley's looking nice. Got some more oregano with a nice weed in the middle. And my rosemary's looking good. I'll cut these back today. See how they're doing. They're looking pretty big. So that's pretty much almost done, I think. And here, more broccolis. Not sure what this is. It's not very big. Tomato plant, tomato, onions, and of course the asparagus. Here's what I'm hoping to plant this week. We'll see how it goes. Didn't work too good last week. back when I'm planting. I threw the dog's toy in the bin. And she's trying to bark it out. Not always the best method, but you know, give it a go. Oh, that's a good method. Oh, that would have worked. A few more barks. Maybe a string of help? Nope, that didn't help. Let's see. A few more barks. Okay, maybe I'll go help. I got a frog. I just seen a bird in the fish pond and he couldn't get out. So I went and got a stick and put it in. Well, my husband did. And we got him out. But now he's just staying there. Maybe he's waiting to dry off or something. We better fly away before the dog gets here. I'm seeing quite a few of these little bugs here, as well as the cutworms. I'm just dumping them in water. And here is another thing that I keep seeing in my worm bin. I think those are cutworms. So again, they're being dumped in the water. Bird's still there. Okay, here's what I'm doing. I plan to plug the bottom with a cork or something. And then I'm just covering it with that. So right now, I'm going to plant one in the middle of each garden is what I'm going for. The idea is fill it up with water. Right now it's going to leak out rather fast, but if it's sealed, it's supposed to slowly leak into the garden. But it's not sealed right now. And then put that on, keep the dirt out. So when I come back next week, I plan to have 4 corks, and we'll move forward with that idea.